Okay, welcome to another video, guys. I don't know if this is going to be a short or just a normal video, but as you can see, we have made a reloading station. This is one of our new projects, and it's probably one of my favorite. We did another one where we're doing a safe. So, as you guys know, I don't know if I've told you before, but we're going to do another hike. And in part of this hike, there's this really dangerous area where like wolves and stuff. So we're going to bring a couple things. But today I'm going to show you our, you could say, bullet maker. Let's get started. First of all, if you come over to my workspace, we are using 357 hollow point. This is one we created. This may have been my first one. Let's see. I'm pretty sure my first one was a bit short. So up here, let's see, where is it? So our max length is supposed to be 1 inch and 59, 1.59. So let's see what this one is. Oh, there we go. 1.597. So we're doing good on this one. Our goal is to get right about it. So this is a really good bullet. That's probably one of our best. But as you can tell, we got one of these. It really helps, like, in a lot. So the powder we are using is 296 ball powder. We have quite a bit, as you can see. Or actually, I'll leave that for a different part. Anyways, so these are the casings we're using. They have nothing in them, just the casing. So we use this, and then we use the bullet. So, I mean, it's pretty simple. I'll walk you guys through every single step of this, and I'll tell you why this is probably the best press out there. Okay, guys, so let's get started and dived into this. So this is our lead turret press. As you can tell, kind of looking at it, up here we got where the ball powder is. So, I mean, it's pretty simple. We pour the 296 ball powder right in here. And then what we do is we pull this lever and a certain amount comes out. I'll turn it this way for you guys to see better. So we got a lever right here. We got our ignitions in here. So let's see. I guess I'll press one for you guys. So we're going to put our casing, or first off, let me go to this side. We're going to bring it up a bit. We don't want it to where this, you could say, little circle thing is out. We want it up. So we put our casing right in. Now from here, now what we're going to do is we're going to crimp the top. This is going to make it easier for us to put the bullet inside and hold it in there. Now what we're going to do, one of my favorite parts, we're going to push this forward and we're going to press down, and voila, it's just like magic. Now we got a primer in there. Okay, so once we're here, now we can bring it back down. There we go. And now what we're going to do, we're going to put this in there, basically just in the casing. So let's see. This is usually a bit of the struggle. As you can see, it turned itself. That's because we have the turning rod in there. Okay, press it in there. Let's see. Okay, so now we have the primer in. As you can tell, there's nothing in there. And voila. So, difference is, this is just the casing and it has nothing in there, versus this, now we have the ignition. So, what this does is the piston hits this and it sends off like a small explosion to set up the big explosion. So, it's all just like a chain reaction. So, we put our one that is halfway done, we'll say, here. Now, the fun part, we're going to do the press. So what we're going to do, we're going to make sure everything's tight. We are going to put it up, and if you look up here, it's going to come up all the way, and then that tells me when to stop. Boom. Now I have powder, and look, now it turned itself. I'm going to go a little more. Let's see if we have powder. Yes, we do. Okay, now that we are done with that, now we get to press the bullet. So this is probably the most scary job. I've had a couple fails, but I crimped this one really nice so it's staying in place. Okay, perfect. So now your goal is just to align it perfectly as you're going up. You don't want it off-centered or anything. So now it's dead center. I'm going to press down super hard and bring it back up. Boom, voila, it's in there. And now we are going to crimp it once more and make sure to really just seal it in. And there we go. Let's go ahead and check the size of that. Let's see what it's at. Again, we're hoping for 1.59. Pretty sure we're good. Ooh, 1.57. So what that means is we're probably going to have to turn the knob a bit out more. So basically it's saying we pushed the bullet too far into the casing. So we'll have to retune that. But I mean, that's pretty much how the press works. It's a really simple design. Once you get to, start, it's really simple. You can get going pretty fast as long as you just know what you're doing.